Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2014 Subaru Forester. I'm going to be showing you how to remove the left front door speaker. It's going to be a very easy job. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need any parts or instructional videos, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. All right, so here we go. We've got our door open. We're looking at our door panel. We're going to use a small pocket screwdriver or whatever you happen to have, something small. Right here, there's a little flappy door. Just going to grab this. Pop it open. Behind there, there's a Phillips head screw located right there, okay? So we're gonna remove that. Using a Phillips head screwdriver. Turning it counterclockwise, of course. Grab our little screw out of there. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna use something like these. These are called trim tools. They're plastic, so you won't mar up any of your plastic door panel here. Feel along the bottom. Just make sure you don't feel any screws or anything like that that go in. Hold it to the door itself. Feels pretty good. I'm just gonna start along the bottom. I'm gonna use my door panel tools here. See if I can find where the little clips are. I feel like there's one right about there. There we go. It's getting tighter up here. Okay. Over to this side. Do the same thing. Feels pretty good. Okay. Just try shaking it around a little bit as it gets tight up here. All right. So while we're moving it around, feel like it's getting ready to come loose here. Try wiggling it. Feels as though there's something holding it in right here. So I'm just gonna grab something. I'm gonna try to pop this off real quick. Okay, I got my pocket screwdriver again, right here. There's a little slot. I'll show you it. 1 second here. Try to get that off. Right here is where I went, okay? Right in between there and here. Just pulls out these little tabs. Okay, now we're gonna find 2 more Phillips heads. One right there, one located down here. You can pick which one you wanna remove first. You do you, boo-boo. One, looks just like the first one. Grab this one. Number 3, just like the other 2. Cool beans. I'm gonna grab our door panel, wiggle it around, comes right up now. Behind here, there's gonna be some wiring and some cables. So you just wanna make sure you take a look and see what's going on before you go ahead and hang it, right? We're gonna disconnect all we can. I'm gonna take this white one right here. I'm gonna try to remember the white goes up top. You can mark it if you need to, or whatever you need to do to remember, or just watch the video to see how it was removed and just reinstall it that way. Anyway, white one. Pull it. Take a peek. It's just a little ball, okay? Easy peasy. I'm gonna go with the green. Just gonna pull it out. Lift it. Let's keep on rolling. Down here should be a little push clip right in the center. There's the push right there, okay? That's where I pushed on. There's one right here. I'm gonna try to push on that one. There we are. I'm gonna feel around the big one here. That one's probably on the other side. Let's see if I can find it. I'm gonna try to use a little pick. I'm gonna push in on the center right here. I'll show you where I'm pushing. Subaru was nice and they put it in the back where you can barely get to, but we're gonna just push right there and that unlocks this little clip right here. Okay, so now that we've got the door panel off, we can access everything. Right here is our door speaker. Very easy to get to at this point. We've got some Phillips head screws. There's 4 of them, and there's 1 electrical connector. So first I'm gonna take off the connector. I'm gonna push right here. Just a little slidey tab right there. Every time we take a connector off, we always take a peek inside. Make sure there's no funny colors. You don't want any rainbow colors or rust or anything like that in electrical connectors. It's very bad. That one looks great. We'll set it aside. We're gonna go ahead and remove our 4 screws right here with our Phillips head screwdriver. You can use whatever you've got, but a Phillips head's what's gonna do it. So here we go. I'm holding the speaker so it doesn't fall. I'm gonna take out this last one and give it a little shake, break it free. There we are. Now we've removed our left front door speaker. Very simple. So here we go. It's time to install our speaker. We've got a little hooky-doo right here and a little clip right down there. So when we install this, we're gonna go from like this, top first, and then just like that. Easy peasy, okay? I got my 4 screws. I'm just gonna pick one. I'm gonna start it in the hole. I'm not gonna tighten anything down until I have all 4 of them started. It's very important. Start it in a little bit here so it doesn't fall out. Cool. Now we're just gonna put them all in. Like I said, we're not gonna tighten them down. Now it's time to tighten them down. It's just plastic. I don't wanna crack the plastic, so I'm not gonna go too tight, okay? Just bottom it out, and that should be pretty much good enough on these. Do all 4. And we're gonna do the electrical connector. Grab all this stuff down from here so we can find it. This disjumbled mess. Here it is. We already checked it. We know it's good. It's gonna go right here, right? Easy peasy. There we are. Now we can go ahead and start getting the door panel on. So here we go. We've got some electrical connectors here, right? We're gonna go ahead and connect all these in, and then we're gonna move along. We're gonna connect in that one down there. And of course, we're gonna put in our little cables, right? Very important. You don't wanna leave these off because, well, good luck getting in. Here we go. We got one big one. It's gonna go right down here in the bottom. Click. Got a couple other ones here. Click. This one right here goes up higher. Click. Easy peasy. Cool. We'll do that electrical connector in 1 second down there. Just hang it so it's ready to go. I'm gonna do these while I'm up here, and then I'm just gonna set the door panel inside its little thing so I can get down under there, okay? So we've got 2 cables. We've got our green cable. This one goes down to the handle. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide it in. And then I'm gonna lock it into this little doohickey. Boom, okay? Right here, the top one. This is the lock cable. Just goes in. See if I can get it. Oops. You wanna make sure the door's in the locked position here. Makes it easier to get the cable in. Here we are. I'm gonna lock it in. There we are. Perfect. I'm just gonna take the door panel, just gonna set it up on here. Now I can let go for a second. We've got our cable right here, wiring harness. Just gonna go into the little light. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Yep, okay. So right here, this is gonna go right in, okay? Let me see if I can find it again. I'll show you. Right where I am. The lock goes facing up. Clicks in, easy peasy. Everything's in there. Cool. All right, before I go ahead and clip this in, I'm just gonna test it real quick. So we're gonna go ahead and unlock it. Now we're gonna go ahead and lock it. That works perfect. Cool. So now we'll say that it's, let's see, I'm gonna go in actually, because that's the door handle I'm gonna be testing. So I'll go in, and then I'm gonna try to open the door. Cool. Now I'm gonna try it again, but I'm gonna lock it. Unlock. Perfect. All right, let's get this door panel mounted in. Make sure it goes down, no binding. Goes back up. Love it. Door locks, great. Oh. There we are. Works, works. So here we go. We're gonna test the mirror, left side mirror. Looks good. All right, now we can go ahead and put the door panel on. So we'll make sure that the door panel's pulled down fully, right? We tested everything. We're good to go. We made sure we plugged in this light down here. Definitely on. Nice and bright. Somebody put in an LED. That's cool. There's little holes inside the door panel or the door itself. That's where the pins from the door panel are going to sit into, right? So you just take a peek. Make sure you got them looking like they're pretty lined up. Start at the top. Work your way around. Just give it a little bonk. Bonk, bonk. It's my thing. There we are. Feels like maybe one more here. So we've got 3 screws. One here, there, and there, right? So theoretically we should have 3 screws left, and we do. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in. We're just gonna start them in until we get all 3 started, okay? 1 screw, 2, 3, okay? Gonna use our screwdriver. We're gonna turn them into the right. Like I said, I'm not gonna tighten it down yet until I get all 3 of them started in. It's very important in case you need to shift the door panel around at all, line up the holes. Just gonna help save you a little bit of time in the long run. Here we are. This was the last one, so I'm just gonna snug it right up. That feels good. This one. Feels good. Last one. Feels good. Close our little door here. Nice. We're gonna put this on. It's this right here. It's got this right here. Okay. This goes down in there. Once it's in, you just line everything up. Give it a little squeeze. All right. Now if you wanted to, you can go ahead and clean it down, get off any fingerprints you might have put on there, or leave them, whatever you did.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.